The most common question I'm getting in real estate today are where are home prices going? Are home prices too high? And eventually, are we in another housing bubble? The gang over at KeepingCurrentMatters.com put together some great data for this answer, where they show that even though we've come up drastically from the lows of 2011, 2012, and even though we're near the highs that we saw back in 05, 06, the key to answering this question really goes back to previous prices in the late 1990s and 2000s. If we assume that those prices were fair prices and add in a normal amount of appreciation each year, we can see that we did in fact have a big bubble in the 2005-2006 era, and then how actual prices dropped well below what normal appreciation would have supported, leaving current U.S. home prices still a little bit below what normal appreciation would have supported in 2016. Of course, I never want to trust just the national numbers, so I broke it all down for all of us for the Metro, where we see similar graphs and patterns dating all the way back to 1997, with a large bubble in 2004, 5, and 6, followed by the sharp drop-off underneath normal historic appreciation values, and despite the sharp run-up in prices over the last 4 or 5 years, leaving us still below what normal appreciation would dictate. Finally, I of course want to look at how this all reflects back to our Maple Grove market, and took a look at the numbers from 1997 with an annual historic expected appreciation of 3.75%. And the numbers do in fact support the idea that we still remain below what we could have expected 20 years ago home prices to be. Finally, I wanted to run the same numbers using a price per square foot average sales price for Maple Grove, which again supports the fact that despite the bubble happening in 05, the correction coming in 2010 and 2011, our average square price of $127 is still well below the $161.54 per square foot that we would have seen with normal appreciation. All in all, it's great information to see that despite the recent run-up, prices still have room to move, and our good numbers should continue.